welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time. It's now 5 minutes to 7, and we had a snow night and snow is still falling now. So I'm going to show you a quick video on how New Yorkers get ready when it snows. Alright, so I'll be taking my daughter to school. Fortunate for me, I'll be working from home. My husband is also working from home today. So let me show you guys really quickly how we do this for Jamaicans. All right, tropical people, that's how we get ready when we're in the snow. All right, let's do this. All right, so that's my van parked right there. So that's my van with the lights on. There was a car parked in front of me, so that saved that from a couple inches of snow. So my husband is gonna clean off the snow off my van so I can take my daughter to school. And essentially the snow is still falling. If you look right where the light is, oh, right there, so right there, so you can see the snow still falling. I tried to cover the stuff on my patio as best as I could to preserve it from snow, but yeah, let me show you what the backyard looks like. No, that's my backyard. That's what it looks like. A few inches of snow there. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how we do this, how we get. And this is why every woman need an amazing man. That's my amazing husband right there cleaning off the truck for me. That's about 5 inches or 4 inches of snow. Can't check it from here. But he is doing the do for me, kind of preserving me from from the wrath. Oh Lord, I've been recording my video wrong. I'm sorry guys, I'm not a novice, I promise you. I'm not a novice. Alright, so let's go get Skylar up, have a bath. And guys, I said it was 5 to 7. I was so wrong. It was 5 to 6. My apologies. All right, so this is how Skylar typically gets ready for school. And it's I let her wear her boots. She has a water boot as well, but it's very heavy and she has to climb 6 stairs. What's wrong with you, Bobby? I'm gonna give you a rag. Hold on. Can you just turn around? Let us see how you look for the snow. All right, guys, so we're ready now for school. So Skylar is donned out in her boots. She has to go up to 6th floor, so she has to walk 6 flight of stairs. So I try to make her wear the lightweight ones because she does have a water boot, but it's heavy. So yeah, we are ready to go. So let's go, Sky. Daddy cleared off the car and is waiting on us. So we're heading down now. Let's go, Mama. All right, so these are the boots I'm going to wear. That's Grandma's boots. My husband got his boots on. Skylar got her boots. And we ready to go. Alright? Keep. I said, guys, you don't want to know what nearly happened a while ago? Elan nearly dropped in his shoes. Elan, somebody scrape up, man. You want me to start it up? Alright, so we are heading out now. I'm telling you, Ellen dropped a while ago, you know. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get it on camera in the Skylar. Okay, Skylar said not to play in the snow without her. But this is the first time, because if you guys remember, I had another vehicle, a Nissan Sentra, and I sold the Sentra and I bought the Highlander. So this is the first time I'm actually gonna put her in the snow. So I'm excited to see what she's gonna do. Super excited. Alrighty.
All right, so I just dropped my daughter off to school. It wasn't a bad it wasn't a bad ride in, primarily because the roads are now a little bit clear. It's a little bit clearer because the cars are driving on it. So that's how we get ready to go on the road. We done our water boots, or well padded jackets. We get the car started so it's warmed up before, and then we also just clean off the glass and stuff. We try, because I have a SUV, I have to make sure that the top is cleaned off, because it's one of the requirements. A lot of people don't follow it, but which I try to do right. We try to do right. All right, so we're heading back home after a snow morning. Thank you for joining or tuning in. If you've not yet hit the subscribe button, go ahead, smash it, and I'll catch you in the next one.